Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, my name is Aisha. Today's video is on how to make these beautiful sandal balls, also known as kandikai, then dambu, and then it can be called wardrobe balls too, whichever way you want to use it. Then, and today's special ingredients for my turare is cloves and nutmeg. Yeah, you heard it right. Nutmegs and cloves. I added nutmegs and cloves to my turare. So these are the ingredients I'll be using to make this turare. Just simple ingredient. This is my sandal powder. Just not special, just sandal powder. Then this is my jawi. I pounded everything to powder. Yeah, I grinded everything to be in a powdered form for easy mixing. This is my mirsik. Then is my furche. I use furche for black humra. Then this is the little nutmeg and cloves. I mix them together. This is my lupan, and this is my lamsa oil. I use lamsa oil to make this with three other more oils. The banat nada and what's the other one? The banat nada, lamsa. Okay, the other one was a gift from my sis, so I've forgotten the name. She just gave me that oil to use for my cherry. So these are the things I'll be using for my cherry water. These are the ingredients for my cherry water. So here I I am about mixing everything together. I forgot to say you need um sugar and water with a little lime. Just half a lime will do. Half of lime, the one we all know as lemon sami, the small one. Half of it, then two spoonful of water, then one spoonful of sugar. Melt them in a pot, then keep that aside because we'll be needing that too at the end of the video. So yeah, basically I'm just mixing everything together. Not any, just mixing everything together because so here I added my oil nada. The name of the oil I added here is nada. And then you can use any oil of your choice, any oil you can come across. That's a very good oil, and you can use any oil. I just used this one because that's the one I have. It's not doesn't have a specific oil you use, but preferable if you can get sandal oil, then you can use it because you use sandal powder, so it's just going to be everything sandal. So here I'm adding my lamsa oil. Then I did not add the Danal Banat until towards the end I added it. So after adding your oils, mix them. You can put your hands and mix them. You can use your hands to mix. I don't know why I'm using spoon here, but you can use your hands to mix your turare water. Then so this is where I added the sugar mix and sugar and lemon mix. This is where I added it. And like I said in the beginning of the video, you need it. Why we add sugar and lemon mix is to help the turara water stay in place because the oils will eventually evaporate with time. That should I use evaporate? Will dry up with time, so this sugar and lemon mix will help them stay in place, which you can also add oils um at a later time. You can add oils, that's when they stay for long without using them. When you keep them for long without using them, you can add oils to your turare too. So after adding my sugar and lemon mix, I mix them very well with my hand because if you don't mix them very well, you won't get the good results you're looking for. Because we want everything to be mixed together. We want everything to to come together. So this is where I added my Danalbanat oil. This Danalbanat oil is a very good oil. You can use it in any kind of turare water of your choice. I someone recommended it on Facebook, and then I said, okay, let me give it a try, and I didn't regret it. I didn't regret it. Danalbanat VO is the name. I hope I got that right. Danalbanat VO. Yes. So after adding my oils, just and mix everything together.
بغير عليك منك عمر الزهور سنك انا بغير عليك منك عمر الزهور سنك قالوا الولي بكتات قالوا الولي بكتات كاتني ريح انك
We're done mixing, so the next step is to roll your turare into the shape of your choice. You can use cutters, you can use your hands and mold them into different shapes you like. So before rolling my turare or before molding them, I added little oil to my hand to prevent it from sticking. That's why my hands look so oily here. I added oils to help me roll them. So this is where we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're going to give it a try. Please, if you do, share the pics with me. Share your comments with me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and do give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.